Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we will see the performance of my free demo call that was given for 15th of October. So this was the demo call that was given for 15th of October. In this demo call, Nifty put has gone up 5 times. Nifty put capital went up 5 times. Capital became 5 times in single day. Bank Nifty almost more than 3 times in single day. So this is an interesting video and we'll check how this has happened. So first of all, this is my channel. This is my channel t.me slash Sunil Pawar Option King. If you type Sunil Pawar Option or Sunil Pawar Option King in Telegram, then you will find this channel. But because there are some fake channels in my name on Telegram, so you need to check. There are 3358 subscribers. There are subscribers more than 3000, and you will find my pic in profile. So in profile pic you will find my pic. That is second point, and third point is you will always find my contact number 9890812070, and fourth point is you will always find various videos coming from my YouTube channel. This is my own YouTube channel, so you will find my own videos posted in this group from YouTube channel. So these things you need to check before joining that channel. Even if you are joined a wrong channel, you just check all these details, and if you find these details are not there, then just exit the channel and search for the right channel. So friends, this call was given on 14th of October. See, all my calls are given one day before. These are pre-market calls. So this call, as you can see here with the timestamp, you can see it was given on Wednesday on 14th October at 8:21 p.m. So this call was given one day before, and almost 1800 traders have seen that call on Telegram. On YouTube, the video was released. There also more than 1000, and on Facebook page and Facebook account. So in total, almost 5000 traders have seen this call live. So on YouTube also almost more than 2000 people have seen that. So this was the call, and how the exact working has happened, that I'll share with you. This is the exact working. This is the exact working that has happened. First of all, so this is a negative. Let me mark it in red first of all. So this is in red. So first of all, what happened? See, these calls were given one day before. Next day market opened, and after market opening on 15th of October, put activated. Nifty, we will first check Nifty performance. First put activated. Nifty put 11,950. It activated and it has hit the stop loss. So Nifty put activated and it has hit the stop loss. So there was a loss, and because it was expiry, and as per expiry rule, the trader is expected to buy double the quantity. Means he is expected to buy 2 lots. So here the trader has bought 2 lots, and the loss is 3000. So in Nifty, the first trade was in loss. So the second trade, as per the rule, if put hits the stop loss, in that case exit the trade as per the rule. See, all these calls, all these trades are done as per these rules, and these rules were discussed in detail well in advance in this video. If you see this video on YouTube, you will find the detailed description of these rules. So as per the rule, double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. So as per that rule, Nifty put first of all hit the stop loss. So in this case, the trader is expected to exit the trade. That is the first step. Second step is, then he will wait. He will wait for call to activate. He will wait for the call to activate, but here call did not activate. So Nifty call did not activate. So call did not cross the entry price after put hitting the stop loss. First put hit the stop loss, but call 12,000 did not cross the entry price of 54.08 after put hitting the stop loss. So in that case, the trader will wait further, and if put crosses the entry price again, then he will enter with double quantity. This was told well in advance in this video. If you check this video, this is told very clearly. After stop loss, exit and then wait for the next trade and take the next trade with double quantity. And even if call or put hits the stop loss and same call again activates, then same call is to be taken with double quantity. So this is the rule. So put was taken with double quantity. This is double quantity. This is double quantity of Nifty put 11,950. I have just bifurcated these two trades here just for the presentation. So 150 quantity was booked on target. As per rule, book 50% quantity on target. So 150 quantity was booked on target. So this loss was recovered. This loss was recovered. This loss was of put of 2 lots was recovered immediately when the put again activated and hit the target. And as per the rule, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 PM with stop loss on cost. So as this rule was discussed well in detail in the video given on YouTube channel, and in every video these rules are discussed. So as per that rule, Nifty put 11,950, 150 quantity was booked on target. Remaining 150 quantity was carried till day close. So day close was 270, and that's why there was a profit of 33,000. So in Nifty there is a net profit of 33,000 because this loss was recovered or nullified by this profit, and then this profit was made. The profit was 33,000. So you need to join my channel, Telegram channel. You need to search Sunil Pawar Option King, and you need to join this Telegram channel, because here the benefit of joining Telegram channel is here I post the details of the performance in a very much detail. So here we can see this is 11,950 put. It first activated around 9:30 AM. It activated at 9:30 AM at the price of 49.71. then it fell down, it hit the stop loss here, and then again it activated here, then it did not come to the stop loss, it did not come back to the stop loss. It remained above the entry price, and then here it doubled. So it hit the stop loss and doubled also within 2 hours. So as per the rules, you can see the details on chart how the trades were executed. So the put hit the target and also doubled within 2 hours. So as per our rule, we will carry that trade, we will book half the quantity on the target so that the loss is recovered, and we will carry the remaining quantity, half the quantity, till day close. So what was the day close? That is also I have posted here. So this is the day close. You can see this. day close is 270. That is almost 5 times. This is the screenshot of day close. This is day close. You can see this I have posted at what time? At 5 p.m. Post market on 15th of October. You can see this screenshot was posted here, and what was the day close? You can see last price 270. This is 270. This is the day close. What was day high? 279. So day close. So 320 as per the rule. If targets are hit within 2 hours, this is somewhere it activated, this is somewhere it doubled. So within 2 hours, so you will hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. It did not come back to the cost. It did not come back to the cost somewhere here. So it never came back to the cost, and then it was 270 at 3:20 p.m. So this is how the trades were executed, and I have shown you all the screenshots in detail. You can go back to that particular date, you can go back to that particular expiry of 15th October, and you can go back and check the entire details, cross check. You can cross check entire details. These details are right or wrong. So this was the trade. This was how capital went up 5 times and 33,000 profit was booked in Nifty. So the trades for the Nifty are over. Now we will check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as it is a very volatile instrument, and Bank Nifty first put activated. First put activated, and put has given target. Target was 351.74 and the put high was 352, but the target was hit in a flash. I will tell you how. This is the screenshot I have shared. You can see here this put entry price was 250.08 was the entry price. So we can see here the entry price for put was 250.08. So here if you see, this screenshot is very interesting. It opened 191.85. We can see it here, and we can see day high price at 352. This is 352, but actually if you see in chart, this is closing 1 minute closing chart, 1 minute closing chart. So here we can see the chart below 300, but it means this was hit within one minute, because this chart does not show you high low of that 1 minute candle. So this high was made, but it was made within 1 minute. So that's why this trade was executed like this. The target was hit. So as per the rule, 50% quantity. So 2 lots were bought. 2 lots were bought of Nifty put in first trade. 1 lot was booked on target. Other lot was carried till 3:20 p.m. with SL on cost, with stop loss on cost, and that stop loss on cost was hit. So there was no profit, no loss on other trade. So after that, what happened? Nifty call also activated. Bank Nifty call also activated. 23,900. Quantity bought was 50. Because why 50? Because we have not made loss in earlier trade. So the quantity was double of regular day. Means regular day, if trader is trading with 1 lot, so here he bought 2 lots, because earlier trade was in profit. So that's why only 50 quantity was bought. there was no loss on earlier trade, that's why quantity was not doubled. So here this call has hit the stop loss. It activated at 253.03, but it hit the stop loss. So loss was 5083. This loss was 5083. So this call 23,900, it activated to 53.03, but it hit the stop loss of 151.37. Later on, when market progressed by 2 o'clock, by 1 o'clock, again put activated. Bank Nifty put 23,900 again activated, and here because the trader has made loss in call, because call has hit the stop loss, put quantity was bought doubled. As per the rule, if stop loss is hit, then wait for next trade, and take next trade with double quantity. So put was bought next trade, it means it was a third trade. So first time put activated, it has given target, then call activated, it has hit the stop loss, then third time put again activated, and this put was bought with 100 quantity. Why? Because call has hit the stop loss on 50 quantity. So double quantity means 100. So this trade I have just bifurcated these trades. These are not two trades, these are only one trade, but I have bifurcated in two rows so that we can understand easily. So this is only one trade. This is only one trade where the quantity was 100. So 50 quantity was booked on target. So 50 quantity was booked on target, so that the loss in call of 5083 is recovered. So loss was recovered the moment put hit the target, loss was recovered. And other trade, because put activated, and this time when put activated, it hit the target within 2 hours, and that's why this put was carried till day close, and day close was 825, and that's why there was a profit of 28,756, and total profit was 64,330. So this was the huge profit. 64,000 was the profit in demo call. So I will show you the screenshots of put, Bank Nifty put. So you can see this, post at 2:20 p.m. This is 2:20 p.m. and we can see this here. Put entry price was 250. Put entry price was 250. It again activated here. So it activated around 1 o'clock. You can see exact timing on the chart, and then it doubled. It doubled here. So it hit the target within 2 hours, rather it doubled within 2 hours. It doubled within 2 hours. So that's why, as per the rule, the trade was carried, and trade was carried till day close, and Bank Nifty put, see, it activated here because the entry price was 250. So here this is 200, this is line of 200. So here around this point it activated, around this point it hit the target. So within 2 hours target was hit. So as per the rule, the trade was carried, and at 320 price was around 850. The day close is 825. Actually the price at 3:20 p.m. was around 850, but we are calculating here by day close. The day close was 825. So as per these calculations, I have shown you all the screenshots with live timing. So the profit was 28,000 in Bank Nifty put. So total profit was 64,000. So friends, this is how the trades happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And the benefit of with these calls and this system is, this is a zero loss strategy. Zero loss strategy means we are restricting our loss. We are trying to recover our loss immediately, same day with doubling the quantity, and this entire entry, exit, hold, everything, the trade handling is done as per these 7 golden rules. These rules are discussed in each and every video. These rules are years old rules. These rules do not change with video. These rules are constant for every trade since years. So 64,000 was the profit. Now there is one question, like this put which activated in the morning and it has hit the target of 351. Here we can see it has hit the target. It has hit the target, and I have shown you the screenshot also. This screenshot. This target was hit, but I have written here Bank Nifty put 23,900 opened at 191.85, crossed entry price of 250 and hit the target of 351.74. Check the day high of 352 in above screenshot, but target was hit in flash. So this was written. Target was hit within flash. So if somebody missed that target and somebody failed to book on target in this put, here we have done the working as per the target was hit. But if the trader could not book at that target point, and later on, because later on that put has hit the stop loss, it has hit the entire stop loss, its original stop loss also. So as per that, if some trader was not able to book on target and even if the stop loss was hit, so Bank Nifty put stop loss hit. So here I am calculating now the trader was not able to book on target and he booked on stop loss. So that loss was 5,000. That loss was 5,000. I am calculating the trader could not book on target and he got stop loss in that trade. So that way also, if the first trade with 50 quantity has hit the stop loss, then call activated. So call later on, call activated, as we have discussed, call activated. So call activated, naturally that client, that trader will buy that call with 100 quantity because 50 quantity has hit the stop loss. So he bought with 100 quantity. Again stop loss was hit. Again stop loss was hit. Now later on still put activated, and if that trader buys 200 quantity, if that trader buys 200 quantity, so he believed in the system, he kept complete faith on the system and he just followed the rules, and still with that calculation 100 quantity was booked on target and the entire loss was recovered, and the 100 quantity, actually this quantity should be 150 and this should be 150, because the total of all loss making trades, the quantity was 150, and that's why this quantity will be 150 plus 150, so 300. So 150 quantity was booked on target, so entire 15,000 loss was recovered. So whatever loss incurred there, it was recovered, and the 150 quantity was carried till day close, so there was a profit of 86,000. So one most important point I want to tell here, in this strategy, even if stop losses hit, there is no stretch on profit. There is no stretch on profit. The only stretch is your capital. If you have ample and sufficient capital, there is no need of worrying about profit. More the loss, more the profit. more the loss because here the trader made loss on 150 quantity, and that's why he made a trade with 300 quantity where he got a big profit. So more the loss, more the profit. So this 58,000 capital, how it was calculated? Actually it should be something like this. This was the trade, and then last trade was this. So total was 83,136. 83,136. So this trade was closed when this trade was opened. This trade was closed when this trade was opened. So we have to take the capital of active trades only. We cannot take the capital of the trades which were closed, because this capital was used in this capital. So when trade was closed and capital was freed, so that capital was used in further. So you cannot total it. You just cannot total it. You have to take the total of the trades which were carried till day end. So that way the capital was 83,000 and profit was 1 lakh. So here if you have the capital, then you do not have to worry about the losses or the stop losses, and if you follow the capital management and these golden rules, golden 7 rules, then there is surely profit, and the more the profit, more the loss, more the profit. So I have shared here one screenshot where the total gain is 2,65,000. Why this trader, why this follower was able to make this much profit? Just because he kept on doubling his quantity, and he kept on he followed all the rules and followed the trades till day close. Or he may not have carried it till day close, but at a very good price only he has sold. So this trader has made profit of 2,65,000 in my call on Thursday. So friends, this is how these trades have were executed and this much profit was made. So I hope you like this video. I have done this video in a very detail so that everybody understands, even the newcomers can understand how these trades are executed and how the profit is made and what is the entire strategy is. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and do share these channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of this knowledge and these trading calls. Thanks friends.